Hey guys, in this video I will come up with a few UX variations of a section for a website, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video in order to show you what I usually do with clients or when I'm developing my own design products. So as I start, I would actually wireframe with pen and paper after I already established the goals and the context of the project, and basically after that I would come up with a few UX ideas, something which is very quick and really that will help you to get thoughts going. And after that I would actually decide upon one of these solutions and implement it in the final one and proceed and go on onto the UI design. And the point that I want to make is in this video is that UX is actually super important, even more than the final visual design, simply because if you don't have a good and strong UX foundation, the whole project won't necessarily accomplish the goal. So always focus a lot of attention in UX, and yeah, this is just a video to show you some behind the scenes of what the process could look like for a specific section. So I hope you